Recording. Hey, fourth grade. All righty. We are talking about time today. So we're talking about units of time for 12.8. Again, as always with these, go ahead and pause the video so that you can either take a picture of this or write it down so that you can have it there to help you if you need it. All right, so for units of time, we are talking about minutes, hours, days, weeks, and years. The conversions we're looking at specifically is that 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds. 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. 1 day is equal to 24 hours. 1 week is equal to 7 days. 1 year is equal to 12 months. And 1 year is also equal to 52 weeks. All right, so let's jump in and get started. So number 1 says 2 minutes equals how many seconds? So we know that we're changing minutes to seconds. I'm going to go up here and I see that 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds. Okay. So if 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds, I know that I can take the 2 minutes that they gave us and multiply it by that 60 seconds each. Because remember, if we have 1 minute, 2 minutes, and they each have 60 seconds, that's what we're looking at here. So I could do 60 plus 60, or I could do 60 times 2. Remember, we can still use our basic fact trick here. 2 times 6 is 12. Wonderful. And then I'm going to add this extra 0 here at the end. So 2 minutes is equal to 120 seconds. Okay. All righty, let's look at number 2. This one says 4 years is equal to how many months? So I know I'm changing years to months. So I'm going to go up here and I see that 1 year is equal to 12 months. So if 1 year is equal to 12 months, I know that if I have 4 years, I can multiply that by what? Exactly, by this 12 months for each year. Now, again, we can look at it like this: 1 year, 2 years, 3 years, 4 years, and 12 months in each year. And we could add 12 plus 12 plus 12 plus 12, or we could say 12 times 4, which is what? Very good, 48. 2 times 4 is 8, and 4 times 1 is 4. So there are 48 months in 4 years. All righty. Number 3, we are changing hours to minutes. So I know that I'm going to have to look for the conversion in my chart that changes hours to minutes. And it is right here. 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. So if 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes, how can I figure out how many minutes are in 4 hours? Very good. I can say 4 hours times 60 minutes each is equal to what? Well, we can go ahead and use our basic fact trick here and pull out our basic fact, which is what? Exactly. I'm going to pull out that 4 times 6. 4 times 6 is what? Fantastic. 24 is correct. And then I'm going to have to do what? Very good. Take that extra 0 right here and add it to the end. So 4 hours is equal to 240 minutes. Very good. All righty. Last one we are looking at here. 5 weeks equals how many days? So we know we are changing weeks into days. So if I come up here, I find that 1 week is equal to 7 days. So if 1 week is equal to 7 days, how am I going to figure out how many days are in 5 weeks? How am I going to figure out how many days are in 5 weeks? Exactly. I'm going to say 5 weeks times 7 days equals 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35. Very good. So 5 weeks is equal to 35 days. All right, guys, that is it for units of time today. Again, if you have not already paused this to either write this down or take a picture of it, go ahead and do that now before we end the lesson. You have done so awesome with this whole chapter. I know it's a lot of converting and multiplying, but y'all have stuck with me through it and you have done an awesome job. So way to go, guys. All righty, tomorrow is Friday. One more day this week of doing some work. So have a great afternoon and I will see you tomorrow.